Hi everyone, I'm going to go over some of the Delta Math assignments in a short video. So I'll start with the trig ratios practice. So I'll start with this identifying trig ratios. So you're going to use a model to figure out what ratio you're going to use and then round that answer to the nearest hundredth in this case. So start by reading the question. In triangle MNO, the measure of angle O is 90 degrees, ON is 35, NM is 37, and MO is 12. What is the value of the tangent of angle M to the nearest hundredth? So the first thing you should do in your notebook is draw a model. So that's always the first thing you should do is draw a right triangle. So something that will model this scenario. So I'm just going to draw a rough sketch. Doesn't have to be perfect, just something that will help us solve. It's a pretty bad triangle, but get the idea. So anyway, I'm going to now label my triangle based on the information that was given to me. So the important thing to do is to start by labeling the right angle. So the right angle is angle O, and it's 90 degrees. Okay, so now we can put the other two angles in. It doesn't matter if M is here or here because it will read the correct way or if you read it, clockwise or counterclockwise. So I'm going to write M here. I'm going to put N here. So M, N, O. It reads correct. All right, so now I'm going to label my sides. I have ON. ON is 35. NM is 37. And MO is 12. I don't know if you can see that, 12. All right, so what is the value of tangent of angle M? So angle M is my reference angle, so I'm going to put a circle around that. I'm going to use angle M to label the triangle. So I like to start by labeling my opposite side. In this case, my opposite side would be 35. My hypotenuse is across from the right angle, so that would be 37. And then my adjacent side is what's left over, and that's side MO on the bottom. Let me write that a little more clearly for you so you guys can see. So I'll just write it up here. The adjacent side is on the bottom. So now I want to use the tangent of M. So we know SOHCAHTOA, that's our acronym, right? Ka. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. So tangent, so we say tangent of M is equal to the opposite. So the opposite side of M is 35 over the adjacent side, which is 12. So now I'm just going to quickly do 35 divided by 12. So let me just go to my calculator. So 35 divided by 12. 30. Oh, I made a mistake. Can't do that. Can you do this? 35 divided by 12. And we see that that is 2.916. So I'm going to write that number down. 2.916. And I'm rounding to the hundredth place, which is the second decimal place. And we clearly see that the number after this 1 is greater than 5, so we would round up one digit to 2.92. So our answer should be 2.92. So let's type that in. So 2.92. and it is correct. So I'm going to erase the screen so you guys can see a little better. And we see a more, clear model here than what I drew, but you get the idea. So we use tangent. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, and you round to the second decimal place. Okay, I hope this helps, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. We could also set up tutoring, and give it a try.